I'm Jenny Knighting, Sales and Marketing Director at Zano Controls, and I'm going to talk you through our one-stop shop for dimming LEDs. I want to outline 3 common problems that cause issues when dimming LED. The first is the product itself. The vast majority of products that are sold on the market, if you open them up, they look like this. It's a triac dimmer, easily identifiable by the copper coil. It's this copper coil that causes the interference, the flickering and the buzzing, so often associated with dimming LEDs. Believe it or not, this product was actually designed in the 60s by Lutron, so put simply, just isn't designed to dim LED. Our products, on the other hand, have award-winning next-generation digital technology built in, and you can see the difference. It's designed to dim LED, it's next generation, and it's digital technology. The second point is always allow for the inrush. We recommend multiplying the wattage by 1.8. So if it's easier, round it up to 2. So if, for example, you're doing 60 watts of LED, just round it up to 120. So tip 2, always allow for inrush. We recommend multiplying it by 1.8. And lastly, use good quality lamps. There's a lot of inadequate lamps out there, and it's not hard to see that if you use the wrong product, you're not allowing for inrush, you're using a poor quality lamp, there's going to be problems.